Hi everyone, this tool is amazing for teachers. Check it out. It creates everything your heart may desire to prepare those fabulous classes you already teach. So what can you do here? So many things. You can choose any topic, you can choose any video, but in the free plan you just have a 5-minute video. AI creates the exercises for you. Everything you want. It's perfect. Let's check it out. So first, create an account. When you're in, this is what you see. You have watch and listen, read and understand the text, learn and practice new words, drill some grammar, make your students speak, ideas for homework, and that's it. So I'm just going to give you an example, but you have so many. You need to explore this. This is fabulous. So what did I choose? I chose start with a video. You just copy the URL, paste it, and that's it. Wait a few seconds, voila, here it is. Then you can go on choosing types of exercises and you can change the skills you want to teach. So all you have to do right now is explore and enjoy it, because it's going to save you so much time. This is brilliant. Tell me in the comments what you thought about it and let me know if you want more videos. You can also ask AI to create a text for you, and from that text, from the subject you teach, you can ask questions, true or false, matching halves, learn the vocabulary, practice the vocabulary. You have so many exercises here. You just need to choose the one you want. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your project. This is fabulous. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.